Why does scrolling feel amazing, but studying feels like torture? Why does Netflix effortless, but reading a book feels impossible? The answer is dopamine, and your brain is addicted to it. But here's the truth. You can rewire your brain to crave discipline instead of distraction. Let me show you how. What's really happening in your brain? Dopamine isn't the pleasure chemical, it's the motivation chemical. It's what makes you want things, crave things, chase things. And here's the problem. Your brain releases dopamine before you get a reward, not after. When you see a notification, dopamine spikes. You haven't even checked it, but your brain already wants it. This is dopamine creating desire. Thousands of years ago, this system helped humans survive. Hunt for food, get dopamine reward. Build shelter, get dopamine reward. The system was simple. Do hard thing, feel good, repeat. But modern technology has completely broken this system. Your ancestors had to work hard for dopamine, hunt for hours to get food, build things to feel accomplished, create to feel satisfied. But you get massive dopamine from scrolling TikTok for 3 seconds. Zero effort, instant reward. And this is destroying your brain. High versus low dopamine activities. Not all activities release the same dopamine. Low dopamine activities, reading, studying, exercise, real conversations, working on projects, thinking deeply. These release small, steady dopamine. They require effort but build you over time. High dopamine activities, social media, video games, junk food, Netflix, porn, constant phone checking. These flood your brain with massive dopamine spikes. Zero effort, instant gratification. Here's the critical part. Your brain adapts to whatever dopamine level it receives regularly. If you constantly flood your brain with high dopamine, it raises its baseline. Suddenly, normal activities feel boring. Reading feels like torture. Studying feels impossible. Real life feels dull. This is dopamine tolerance, and it's why you can't focus anymore. The addiction cycle. You check Instagram, dopamine spike. Brain feels amazing. Then the dopamine fades. You feel worse than before. So your brain craves another hit. You check again, less satisfying this time, but you need more. So you keep scrolling. Each hit is less rewarding, but the craving is stronger. This is addiction, and every easy dopamine hit teaches your brain, I can get rewards without effort. Your brain chooses the path of least resistance, and that path is destroying your ability to do anything difficult. The concept. A dopamine detox isn't about removing dopamine. That's impossible. It's about resetting your dopamine baseline. Think of it like this. If you listen to extremely loud music for years, normal volume sounds quiet. But if you stop listening to loud music, your hearing adjusts. Normal volume sounds fine again. Same with dopamine. Remove high stimulation activities for a period and your brain recalibrates. Suddenly, normal activities feel rewarding again. Reading becomes enjoyable. Studying becomes tolerable. How it works. For a set period, you eliminate all high dopamine activities. No social media, no video games, no Netflix binges, no junk food. Only essential activities. Extreme but fastest reset. Level 2, partial detox, 21 to 30 days. No social media, video games, Netflix binges, or junk food. You can still use phone for essentials, talk to people, listen to music, more sustainable. Level 3, selective detox, 30 days. Pick your biggest addiction. Remove only that, replace it with a healthy habit. Easiest to stick to. What to expect? Day 1, you'll feel fine, maybe excited. Day 2 through 3, boredom hits hard. Restless, anxious, constant urge to check your phone. Day 4 through 7, hardest period. Might feel depressed, unmotivated. This is withdrawal. It's normal. Week 2 gets easier. Less urge to check your phone. Boredom becomes tolerable. Week 3 through 4, major improvements. Focus is better. Books are interesting. Discipline feels less painful. After 30 days, brain has largely reset. High dopamine activities still feel good, but don't control you anymore. Step 1. Identify your dopamine sources. Write down every high dopamine activity you do regularly: social media, gaming, junk food, Netflix, mindless scrolling. Check your screen time. Be honest. Rank them by addiction level. The hardest to give up is your primary source. Step 2. Set clear rules. Vague goals fail. Be specific. Bad rule: I'll use my phone less. Good rule: no phone from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Maximum 30 minutes social media only at 5 p.m. Write exact rules: what's allowed, what's forbidden, when exceptions can be made. Step 3. Prepare your environment. Willpower is limited. Environment is everything. Delete social media apps. Turn off notifications. Put phone in another room while working. Use website blockers. Throw out junk food. Unplug TV. Make bad behaviors require 20 seconds of extra effort. You'll be much less likely to do them. Step 4. Replace, don't just remove. This is critical. You can't just remove dopamine sources. Your brain needs something to do. For every high dopamine activity you remove, replace it with a low dopamine, high-value activity. Instead of social media, read books, write, call a friend. Instead of video games, learn a skill, exercise, create something. Instead of Netflix, read, have real conversations, think deeply. Instead of junk food, cook healthy meals. Replacement activities: reading, writing, exercising, creating art, cooking, meditating, learning skills, being in nature, helping others. At first, they feel boring. That's normal. After the week or two, they genuinely become enjoyable. Step 5. Track progress. Create a daily checklist. No social media, no junk food, 2 hours focused work, 30 minutes reading, phone under 1 hour. Track how you feel daily, your focus level, energy level, struggles and wins. When you want to quit, look at your progress. I've done 12 days. I'm not throwing that away. How neural pathways work. Your brain forms pathways based on repeated behaviors. Every time you do something, you strengthen that pathway. Every time you check your phone when bored, you strengthen bored to phone pathway. Do this 1,000 times, it becomes automatic. But every time you read instead of scrolling, you build a new pathway. Do this 100 times, a new habit forms. Old pathways don't disappear immediately, but if you stop using them, they fade. If you keep using new pathways, they become default. This is neuroplasticity. Your brain physically changes based on your behaviors. Discipline releases dopamine too. Here's the secret. Discipline itself releases dopamine, but only earned dopamine. When you complete a hard task, your brain rewards you. But this dopamine is real. It's satisfying. It lasts longer. It builds confidence. Cheap dopamine creates a negative cycle. Scroll to temporary pleasure, to guilt, to need more, to worse guilt. Earned dopamine creates a positive cycle. Work hard to accomplishment, to pride, to want more, to more accomplishment. The goal? Train your brain to prefer earned dopamine over cheap dopamine. How? Choose hard over easy, consistently, especially when it sucks. Making discipline feel good. Start small. Don't try to study 8 hours on day 1. Study 25 minutes. Succeed. Get the dopamine reward. Build from there. Celebrate small wins. Finished 1 chapter? Acknowledge it. Worked out for 20 minutes? Feel proud. These small dopamine hits train your brain to like discipline. Stack habits. After coffee, read for 10 minutes. After waking up, make your bed. Link discipline to existing routines. Be patient. It takes 21 days to form a habit, 90 days to make it automatic. Don't expect to love discipline immediately, but every day you do it, it gets easier. Your brain isn't broken. It's just been hijacked by modern technology and instant gratification. But you can take it back. You can reset your dopamine system. You can rewire your brain to crave discipline instead of distraction. It won't be easy. The first week will suck. But every day of discomfort is rewiring your brain.
building new pathways, creating a new you. Discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. Freedom from addiction, freedom to focus, freedom to achieve your goals. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Drop a comment telling me what dopamine source you're going to eliminate. Subscribe for more content on rewiring your brain. Remember, your brain adapts to what you expose it to, so expose it to discipline and watch what happens. You've got this.